Jello, Jen?
No, I tried pudding one time and she didn't like it.
Look at you.
Jello goodness. Oh yeah.
Is that good stuff?
That, yeah. The texture and
They stick together a little pretty good.
yeah.
You are a mess. You are a mess.
Yay, baby! Not good.
Who else needs some? She says, I want more.
Well, lift up the plate, silly. Yum! Look at your nose.
How long has it been since she had real food?
This afternoon.
I know.
I can't believe.
Here, watch.
Look at her hands. It almost looks like her hair.
She like.
You need to have a shower massage handle things you can take off your shower to hose her down before you fill up the tub.
What'd you think? No, you're not touching this.